आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, let us start the question. The question says, describe the structure of a nucleosome. Now, if we see the structure of a nucleosome, it is something like beads on string. So you have something like this, okay? And then just change the color. Then we have the DNA, okay? And then we have histone proteins, okay. So this is the H1. This you can say is the histone octamer, in which you have various histones. Then this one is our DNA, okay. Now the basic structure of a nucleosome. Now in eukaryotes, DNA is packaged in association with some basic proteins, that is known as. Now these histone proteins are rich in basic amino acids like our lysine, arginine, okay. Now there are 5 types of histone. So we have 5 types of histones, and they are H1, then we have the H2A, then we have the H2B, then we have H3, and then we have the H4. Now 4 of these histones, that is the H2A, H2B, H3 and the H4 histone proteins occur in pair, and this pair forms an histone octamer, or we can also say it as the core of nucleosome. Now around this histone, as we saw here, 116 base pair of DNA is wrapped around the octamer. So basically our DNA is a negatively charged, which is wrapped positively charged histone octamer, okay. So our histone octamer is positively charged and the DNA is wrapped around it, and this is known as our nucleosome. So basically in nucleosome there is a histone octamer which is formed up by pairing up of 4 histones, that is H2A, H2B, H3 and H4, and is also known as the core of nucleosome. Then the DNA, that is 16 base pair of DNA, is wrapped around this octamer, and this total structure is known as nucleosome. Now the DNA that contains DNA that is going to connect the 2 adjacent nucleosome is called the linker DNA, and it bears the H1 histone, which connects one core particle to the other. So this is the basic structure of a nucleosome, that is in eukaryotes. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।